So what is it that fearless agent coaching students know how to do that all the other agents out there don't know how to do? Your competitors don't know how to do this. And if you're not a fearless agent, maybe you don't know how to do this either. Well, it's a bunch of stuff that makes your life a lot easier and it makes it better for your clients. But I always remember when I was brand new in real estate, I had nothing to recommend me to be a real estate agent. I was a high school dropout. I had a big afro. My real estate car was a Harley, so I was poised for success, obviously. But I realized that I was not getting the training I need, and all fearless agent coaching students of mine realized they weren't getting the training they need from the industry. So over the course of the videos that you watch on our YouTube channel here, we're going to talk about some of the industry issues, some of the problems that are built into the real estate industry that I know you've noticed. We're going to talk about why those even exist. We're going to talk about what we do at Fearless Agent to fix that, and then get you back on track, or on track for the first time ever if you're a brand new agent, so you can earn your full worth in real estate and out-earn all of the other agents in your office by a ton. And by the way, let me recommend that you go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our training videos for free. I guarantee you those will be better coaching for free than you could get anywhere else in the industry. Listen to our podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Subscribe to that, and then subscribe to this, our YouTube channel at fearlessagent.tv. And if you ever have a question to see if Fearless Agent coaching might be a good fit for you, and if it is, you will get rich, and if it's not, we'll admit that. I'm still happy to help you in any other way I can. But all you have to do is call me anytime at 480-385-8810. Let's see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.